Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe and today I'm going to show you how to prepare this Hycinth beans with mutton. This is a stir fry recipe and it's traditionally prepared across South India and we really enjoy it during the season. The mutton also pairs very well with these beans and it adds flavor and taste. So let's look into the process how I cook the meat and how I prepare the stir fry. We need to prep few ingredients ahead of time so that it's easy for us to cook the meat and prepare this stir fry. Here I'll start preparing the meat first. I wash the mutton thoroughly in water and in a colander I've placed the mutton so that all that excess moisture drains out. So here we have the mutton. We need ginger and garlic paste. I've already shown you in my basics of Indian cooking how we prepare the ginger and garlic paste with fennel and peppercorns. We also need turmeric powder and chilies to cook the mutton first. So in a pressure cooker I have added the meat. I've added salt, ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder and 3 to 4 chilies. We'll add water, stir the meat, cover the pressure cooker and place the whistle and cook the meat for 3 to 4 whistles until the meat is tender. So this is going to be your first step in preparing any meat curries, biryanis or South Indian style mutton fry. So this is our basic first step. We have to cook the mutton till it's tender. In many houses, pressure cooker and heat level varies. It takes 3 to 4 whistles. Some people's house it takes even 5 to 6 whistles or 8 whistles. So cook your mutton till it's tender. Once your meat has cooked, reserve it. So this is your basic first step you need to follow and prepare your meat. Now once the meat has cooked well, I have reserved the meat for the stir fry. We have also prepped and reserved all the ingredients for the stir fry. Now here the meat is cooked and reserved. We'll need pepper powder. To prepare the masala paste, we need sliced onions, slit green chilies, ginger, garlic, coriander, curry leaves. And for the stir fry, we need finely chopped onions, finely chopped chilies, crushed garlic, curry leaves, coriander and lime juice. To prepare the stir fry, we need turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. We also require a tiny amount of white pepper powder. That's up to you. You can add it or leave it out. Then whole spices like fennel seeds, star anise, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. I'm using stone flour and javitri. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. We need cooked hyacinth beans. I've already shown you how to shell and cook your hyacinth beans or hull the hyacinth beans. I've done a detailed video about hyacinth beans. I'll link that in the description box below this video. I prepared many recipes using this hyacinth beans. So watch that video and prep your hyacinth beans accordingly. We normally add chili powder and salt and cook the hyacinth beans for such recipes. So that is cooked and reserved. Here in a wok, I've added sesame oil. We'll start preparing the masala paste. So I've added sliced onion, slit green chilies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, ginger and garlic. We'll fry all these ingredients till the onion turns transparent. Now we'll also add star anise, javitri that is maize, then Marathi mogu, stone flour, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, fennel seeds. We'll fry all these ingredients. So once you fry all these ingredients, your onions should soften completely and the masala should fry well. It should nicely shrink and it should fry well. So once all your ingredients are fried, just switch off the flame. Allow the masala to completely cool down and transfer this to a mixer jar. We need to grind this into a smooth paste by adding tiny amount of water. To achieve that perfect stir fry or that perfect mutton curry, you have to prepare that masala paste from scratch. You have to prepare this masala paste and then add it to your mutton. It turns out so good. It does not come with that packaged masalas. Yes, of course, I use a lot of packaged masalas myself, but you prepare everything from scratch, it will turn out so good. Here you can see once I fried all the ingredients, added it to a mixer jar with tiny amount of water. I've ground it into a smooth paste. In the same wok, we'll add sesame oil. Normally in South India, we use a lot of sesame oil or coconut oil because it enhances the flavor and taste. If you go to North India, they add mustard oil. So that flavor and taste is different. Here I've added tiny amount of cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. We'll add the chopped chilies and finely chopped onion, curry leaves. We have also added crushed garlic. Now we'll fry all the ingredients till the onion turns light golden brown in color. So we need to fry the onions till it turns transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see the meat which is cooked earlier. I've added the meat to the onions which is frying along with some meat broth, and the Hycinth beans, that cooked Hycinth beans I've added. Now we'll stir all the ingredients, and I will also check for salt and add salt because we did add salt while cooking the meat, and we have added salt for the Hycinth beans. So check and add salt. We'll add chili powder, turmeric powder, tiny amount of pepper powder and salt. We'll stir all these ingredients and allow it to boil. At this point, we'll also add our ground masala paste. So this enhances the flavor and taste in this stir fry. This is a semi gravy, like it is a stir fry, and you can also mix this dry masala with rice, or you can eat it just like that. It's very nice and tasty. With rotis also it's very nice. We normally mix this semi-dry masala with rice and eat it. Here I've added tiny amount of water. We'll allow this to cook. So the moisture should completely evaporate and the meat should cook in this masala. It will take roughly about 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. So I kept stirring it occasionally. Here you can see that masala has completely dried out. At this point I'll add curry leaves and coriander leaves. I'll also add pepper powder and lime juice. We'll give it a good stir, and my Hycinth beans mutton stir fry is ready. So do give this recipe a try, friends. This is a typical South Indian style recipe, and we really enjoy this type of semi-dry curry with our rice, rasam rice, and we can serve it just as it is with rotis also. It's very nice and tasty. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends. Try this recipe and post your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the links will be in the description box below this video with all the ingredients used in this recipe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.